So guys, let's start out with what made the birds so terrifying. They knew real. They were real. Hitchcock didn't just need special effects. He teamed up with bird trainer Ray Birdrick and brought thousands of live birds on seagulls, sparrows, even ravens. Real birds attacked real actors. And when they wasn't real, Hitchcock used a mix of animatronic birds, matte work, and clever camera work and tricks to make the attacks look completely natural. And also terrifying. What the actual Hitchcock? Do you see what I mean? This movie is weird and one of its kind.